Uh, Faded thoughts running through my mind. Think I'm running out of time. I wanna always be standing, so I take advantage of my given chances to shine. Used to look up to the sky as I would cry, and I'd ask God why. Am I still here? Is my death near? But now I'm seeing real clear. I didn't ask to be born, but it's my job to steer, and I'm tired of living in fear. Yeah, I'm tired of living in fear. Ain't no more living in fear. Cause I'm tired of living in fear. So there ain't no more living in fear. Nah. Used to look up to the sky as I would cry, and I'd ask God why. Am I still here? Is my death near? But now I'm seeing real clear. I didn't ask to be born, but it's my job to steer. It's almost like God spoke into my ear that I got nothing to fear.